All right, right here. I use this one to remove a lot of material. When I just want to sharpen something, I just use this flap disc. Let me see if I can, let me take this off. Right there, that's how old this is. And basically, because all you want is just to sharpen this little edge right here. You don't need to take out a lot of material. By using this one, it takes a lot of material, and it's easy to burn this section of the blade. And that's how I keep my blade with this clamp right here, right there. It's handy to have these clamps. So let's sharpen this blade. There you go. Basically, that's all what you need to do right there. We didn't take out a lot of material. Let's do the next one, the other side. Let's see now if it's still in balance. There you go. Nice and sharp. All right. There you go. That's how you sharpen your blades right there. Because this little thing right here, little curve, and that's what this curve does for me. So you don't see, it looks like a factory sharp, but it's not factory sharp because of that curve. If I would use this one, you see this edge right here, that will make a cut right here through here, and I don't want to see that on my blades. I like to see the nice curve the way it comes from the factory. And there you go. All right, next project, color engine swap on the 30-inch Turbo Master. Yeah, look at this one. It needs to be sharp real bad. There you go. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to comment and like.